It's time for Johnny Natural's badly written nature poems. And here's your host, the man who doesn't own a shirt, or a pair of pants for that matter, Johnny Natural.
Thank you. Hello, nature lovers. Today's poem is about litter, a scourge of nature, and as you're about to see, a threat to you and me. This poem's a little scary, so buckle up. Deep in the woods, out for a lark, four irresponsible folks hanging out in the dark. Thoughtless people, loud and brash, didn't even notice they were dropping their trash. Just having fun, out for a spell. Little did they know they were headed for, well, let's just say not a nice place. For once litter is on the ground, it begins to change, multiplying, transforming into something quite strange. Suddenly at once, the trash attacked, shocking the gang, the odds against them stacked. The gang outnumbered, nowhere to hide. They tried hard to fight as the trash came from all sides. One broke free, away from his friends, but he didn't get far. He got his in the end. So be careful with trash. It'll stab you in the back. Don't let it touch ground, because litter attacks. So folks, always dispose of your trash wisely, because litter will sneak up on you. I'll see you all next time.
Dido, 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 dido.